Measurements: 5½ x 4½ x 1/2 inches, leak-proof, extra strong construction, advanced meal prep, diet portion control, healthy nutritious meals and to-go meals are super convenient to prepare in these durable food containers. The hard plastic construction will ensure no cracks or breaking along the way. The leak-proof lids will tightly seal the containers, preventing any annoying leaks or spills in your bag or freezer. Premium freezer-safe food storage box. Prepare and package up your meals ahead of time. These freezer-safe food storage containers ensure that your prepared cooked foods retain their flavor, color, and texture. These excellent plastic boxes with lids will prevent freeze burns and odors. There will always be a nice meal in the freezer for hungry people in your house with these containers. Microwave safe for warming food. Enjoy the ease and efficiency of using a microwave-safe meal prep container. Whether you are in a rush at home, or warming up food in the microwave at the office or in your college dorm room, make your life simple by preparing, packaging and warming up your food all in the same dish. From the freezer to your hungry belly, all in one serving container. Safe material and reusable or recyclable, BPA-free and food-grade safe PP material. You can reuse these superior quality containers as many times as you like. Clean these portion control boxes easily by placing on the top rack of the dishwasher. If you don't want to reuse them, you can simply throw these containers into a recycling bin or trash. Pack of 50 takeout boxes bulk pack, great for catering services. These high-quality stackable serving containers are perfect for packaging food at your deli, kiosk, food truck, catering service or restaurant for to-go meals. They stack neatly on top of each other, allowing for completely mess-free transportation and making all your customers happy as well. Top reviews from the United States. I love these. A few things to note. The black bottom tray holds 12 liquid ounces. Tonight, I portioned out tuna noodle casserole into these and they hold a decent 16-ounce serving. So, these feel really decent. They are a good grade of plastic. I put 2 of these units into the top rack of my dishwasher and ran it through a sterilization cycle. They came out looking exactly as they had gone in. They stack very well. I would recommend these very highly.